This activity is going to run you through how to build a targeting list of people for the use case of running outreach via LinkedIn and running outreach via email. So it's super important that we dig into this and we do it right. Just going over the resources real quick, we have the brief that you're looking at right here. We have a massive prompt that allows you to get a lot of really interesting targeting elements that you can plug in as either keyword filters or negative keyword filters. I have job titles and function and seniority, a done for you model. So basically, built out filters that you can go through and search by individual department. If you want to use these, go for it. We're also going to be able to build our own, which is what this template is for. Let's get into it. So, we are going to do a quick company search on Apollo. I've already shown that, and if you don't remember that or you skipped the module where we did that, I'm just going to show really, really fast what that looks like. So this is Apollo's company search. It probably is familiar because I have shown it before, and I am going to put in some filters that will help me find companies that I would like to work with. So I'm going to put in Denmark, and I am going to filter by industry or keyword, and let's say blockchain. Cool. So now I already have a pretty narrow list of 230 companies. That's not bad. Now I can exclude or include keywords depending on how I want to continue to filter. And you can see that now it has to be included and it's narrowed even further. Lots of different ways to play ball with this. Back inside the brief, I have already shown you how to go about filtering and finding companies and then ultimately saving those individual companies into a list. And if you don't have a list, we create that list. We're going to move directly into building a basic list of people and then starting to build more advanced lists based off of different personas.